Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a cold start, old start on my Bobcat. So I'll tell you a little bit about it first. From the 70s. It is a 632. It's got a Pinto motor in there, a 1.9 liter Ford motor, and a flapper. Usually runs pretty good. It's about 35 degrees today. Let's see what happens. I don't even know if the battery's good. Better find the key. Alright. It's got a choke between my legs here. Where is it? Ah, right here. So I gotta hold that out, I guess, with my foot. Throttle's right here. These control left and right wheels, and this one actually does the power takeoff, the 2 high jock lines. And then you got the feet operation for the bucket. So let's give her a shot. Oh, she's cranking. That is a good sign. Let's see what happens here. I'll make sure. Shorten it out. Get the choke pulled out. Battery's giving up. Battery's definitely giving up. Give him a little more throttle. Come on, you whore. I don't know, man. Might need a little bit of ether. Battery's giving up. Not good. Well, this isn't going good. Full choke. She's super dead. Time to go get my jump pack. Here's my jump pack. It's just the old car battery. Got the jumper cables on there. There's a little 1.9 liter. Usually starts pretty good. So let's try her again. Second try. Still is not loving it. Okay. Jab some of this down the throw hole. Let's see. That'll help. That should make it run. Oh yeah, she likes it. I gotta set up the choke again. Send it. Fuck, she just stumbled. Alright, clearly not the issue. So we ran a little, I pulled the fuel filter off. She's getting fuel. Holding the choke again. Give it another shot. I gave her another shot of brake clean too. Huh? Oh, she's running. This is fun. Oh, she's liking it now. Yeah. Here she comes. Man. On that throttle a little bit. Oh, we need the choke. Oh, I let go of the choke too quick. Mint. Alright, got it running. It's charging. Got oil pressure. Still not warmed up yet. I got my cigarettes. A little bucket holder. Oh, yeah. What a machine. Looks like with the cover off, it's rusty, but it runs good and it works. Here's your hydro takeoff. So, pretty straight machine. Now that she's running again, I'm sure it'll start right up, I hope. Let's see. Oh yeah, man.